Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where today we're looking at the Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Gen 5. This mobile workstation is designed for professionals who need power on the go, offering a balance between portability and performance. But does it live up to the promise of being a reliable tool for heavy workloads? Let's find out. The ThinkPad P14s Gen 5 is packed with high-end specs, starting with the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, which brings improved performance with its 12 cores, making it a solid choice for multitasking. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop is built to handle everything from spreadsheet-heavy office tasks to more demanding workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. When you need to run multiple applications at once, this machine delivers seamless multitasking without slowdowns. For storage, the 1TB SSD ensures fast data access, offering plenty of space for your files, media, and software, with the added benefit of significantly reduced boot times and faster file transfers. If you're someone who works with large files daily, the speed and capacity of this SSD are a real asset. The 14.5-inch WUXGA display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 offers solid clarity, making it suitable for media consumption, content creation, or day-to-day office work. While it's not the highest resolution available, the brightness and color accuracy make it a good match for professionals who need a sharp image without stepping into ultra-high resolution territory. Let's talk about performance. The Intel Core Ultra 7 155H is impressive in real-world scenarios, easily handling a variety of office tasks, multitasking, and creative applications. Whether you're running video calls, editing photos in Adobe Photoshop, or working with heavy documents, it performs consistently well. The 32 GB of RAM makes sure everything stays smooth, even when you have dozens of tabs open in your browser or run large spreadsheets. When it comes to gaming, this is not a gaming laptop. However, for professionals who occasionally want to play a game, it can handle titles at medium settings without breaking a sweat. You can expect decent performance in titles like Minecraft or casual strategy games, but don't expect to run graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2 at high settings. This laptop is more for work and content creation than gaming. Battery life is another area where the P14s excels, offering solid longevity under typical use. In terms of light office work like word processing or web browsing, you'll see a good 6 to 8 hours of battery life, depending on usage intensity. The 50 watt-hour battery isn't the largest you'll find, but it's efficient enough for a full day of work. The charger itself isn't overly bulky, and charging speeds are decent, meaning you can top it off quickly between meetings or tasks. In terms of comfort, the keyboard is one of the standout features. Lenovo's ThinkPad series has long been known for its comfortable, well-spaced keyboards, and the P14s is no exception. The key travel is great, offering a satisfying typing experience, especially for long sessions. The trackpad is responsive, though it's a bit smaller than some other models in this class. However, it's still precise, with good palm rejection and solid click feel, making it suitable for work that requires a lot of pointing and clicking. Ports and connectivity are solid with a mix of USB-A, USB-C, and even a full-sized HDMI port, so you won't have trouble connecting to external monitors or docking stations. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 provides even more versatility, supporting fast data transfer and dual display connections. The laptop also has Wi-Fi 6E, which means you'll get excellent internet speeds if you're in a compatible network. The only downside is that the RAM and storage are not upgradable, which limits future-proofing. You're locked into 32 GB RAM, which is sufficient for most use cases, but might be a limitation down the line for more intensive tasks. Thermals are generally good, with the ThinkPad staying relatively cool under normal usage. The fan noise is minimal during light tasks, but under heavier workloads, like video editing or long hours of web browsing with many tabs, it does become noticeable. Thankfully, the laptop doesn't overheat or throttle significantly, even during intense work sessions. This makes it a reliable choice for long days at the office or on the go, where heat and noise can sometimes become a distraction. When we talk about portability, the ThinkPad P14s is surprisingly lightweight, especially considering its powerful specs. Weighing just around 3.5 pounds, it's light enough to carry with you throughout your day without too much strain, and the slim design fits easily into most bags. However, it's not as thin as Ultrabooks, so if portability is your #1 priority, you might want to consider something even lighter. As far as build quality, this laptop is everything you expect from a ThinkPad: rigid, premium, and designed to handle some wear and tear. The chassis is solid, and the keyboard deck feels secure even under pressure, which is crucial for a mobile workstation. Lenovo's reputation for durability and reliability shines here, and it's clear that this machine is built to last. Now, let's look at the value for money. The ThinkPad P14s Gen 5 is priced competitively for a mobile workstation, but it's not the cheapest option on the market. However, considering the top-tier performance, build quality, and professional features, the price is well justified for anyone who needs a portable, powerful device for demanding work. If you're looking for something at a lower price, there are other laptops like the Dell XPS 15 or the HP Elite Dragonfly that offer similar features, though you may sacrifice some of the specialized performance or build quality for a lower price. When compared to similar models, the P14s stands out for its solid performance and premium build, but it may fall short on the graphics front for gamers or those looking for top-tier visual performance. If you prioritize business features, reliability, and a comfortable work experience, the P14s is an excellent choice. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Gen 5 is an outstanding option for professionals in need of a portable powerhouse. It's perfect for office workers, content creators, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop that can handle intense workloads while still remaining portable. If you're a gamer or someone who demands cutting-edge GPU performance, this may not be the right fit, but for the vast majority of business users and content creators, it's a top contender. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase this laptop in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experience if you already own this model. Catch you in the next one.